We are going to solve system of equations with free variables. So we have x plus y plus z is equal 7. Second one, x minus 2y minus z equal negative 2. And third one, 2x minus y minus 2z is equal negative 13. All right, so this is system of free variables. So, but it doesn't mean this is maximum amount of variables you can have. You can have 4 variables and more. Okay, we're going to stop by free variables. As long as we learn how to do free, similar way you can find how to do 4 and more. So first thing, the principle is the following. We are going to combine first any two equations in this system with the purpose to eliminate one variable. And then we are going to use the leftover one equation with any of previously used equations to keep also the same amount, same types of variables. Let me show you that they say it's better 1 times to see than 10 times to hear. So let me see, I'm going to choose, let me write down like this. First one, second one, third one. I'm going to choose first and second because in one I have z positive and in the other one I have z negative, and I can cancel them out. Yes? Let's do it. X plus y plus z is equal 7, and x minus 2y minus z is equal negative 2. So if I add them, what's going to happen? This positive z, negative c will be cancelled, and I will have 2x minus y is equal 5. Okay, so I eliminated z, I have x and y. Now, second, I have to take, let me write down, first and second I used. First and second. Now, in the second case, I'm going to take this third one, which is going to be 2x minus y minus 2z is equal negative 13. And any either first or second equation combined, doesn't matter which one, as long as I will eliminate a z a z variable, and will end up with x and y again. So whichever I choose, I have to multiply by 2. I'm going to choose first one, y, because my my 2z here is negative. At least in the first one, z is positive, negative. That's why. But you can choose second one, then you have to multiply by negative number. Okay, so this is third. Now I'm writing down the second. It's going to be x minus 2y minus z is equal negative 2. All right. I said I need to take first one. I'm sorry. I decided to take first one and writing down second one. And I woke up when I saw both of them. Both these are negative. Okay. X plus y plus z is equal 7. All right. So what we're gonna do, I need to multiply the first equation here, multiply by 2, because I need to get plus 2z, right? And it's gonna be 2x minus y minus 2z is equal negative 13, and 2x plus 2y, what am I doing here? I am multiplying, right? Every single term. Yes? And plus 2y plus 2z. Let me clean his to avoid mess. 2z is equal 14. So if I add negative 2z, positive 2z is gone. I have 4x plus y is equal positive 1. So I got here x and y, I got here x and y. Now I'm combining these two in the system of equation and solve it. So let's combine. 2x minus y is equal 5. 4x plus y is equal 1. Okay, if I add, I'm going to get positive y, negative y is gone, and I'm getting 6x is equal 6, x is equal 1. Okay, I got x is equal 1. So what am I going to do next? I can plug into 4x plus y equal 1, or I can plug into 2x minus y equal 5. Plug x, find out y. Let me plug into 4x plus y equal 1. So 4x plus y equal 1. Plugging x here, 4 times 1 plus y equal 1. And y is equal negative 4 plus 1. Why? Because I'm moving here and I'm flipping the sign. So y is equal negative 3. Okay, we got x is equal 1. We got y is equal negative 3. Now we need to find z. To find z, I'm going back to original my system of equation and pick any equation to plug x and y to get z. The easiest one is the first one, right? So let me see. It's gonna be x is, okay, let me write down first. X plus y plus z is equal 7. So this is the first equation. You know, I can mark down this one also 4, this one 5. And mark here 4 and 5 so you can understand. Okay, so all right, what do we have? X is equal 1, y is equal negative 3, and then plus z is equal 7. So 1 minus 3 is negative 2 plus z is equal 7. Z score is, z value is equal negative 2, moving here, it's going to be positive 2 plus 7, and z is equal 9. Okay, so our solution is going to be x is 1, y is negative 3, z is 9. We are placing the answer based on alphabet, x, y, z. 1, negative 3, and 9. Okay. Moving to next problem. We have x plus 6y equal 19. Why I left space? Because I will have z score, z value coming in. I keep saying z score because it's from statistics, z score. 9x minus 8y is equal negative 15. And we have 4y. As you noticed, I'm trying to write down x under x, y under y, z under z is equal negative 6. Okay. So what do we have? First one, second one, third one. Maybe I should make it a little bit thicker, huh? Yeah, that's better. Okay. So let's see. I'm going to use first and second. Find out y. Why I want to find y instead of x, because in the third one I have only y and z. So if I find y from combining first and second, let's see. X plus 6y is equal 19. 9x minus 8y is equal negative 15. If I find out y from here, I can plug to the third one and find z. But if I find x, it's not going to help me because in the third one I don't have x, right? Okay, so let me combine. What do I have to do here to be able to add them? First of all, I have to bring to the level where I can cancel them. So 6 and 8, it's either going to be, I have to bring to 24 or x multiplied by negative 9. Yeah. We want to get rid of x, right? So we are going to get, this is 1 and this is 2. So what we're going to get? Negative 9x minus 54y is equal negative 9 times 9, 81, 18 minus 9 and 8, 1771. Okay, 9x minus 8y is equal negative 15. So this is going to be gone, negative 9 plus 9. Here I'm going to get negative 62y, okay, and that is equal. So 1 plus 5, it's going to be 6, 7 plus 1 is 8, and here is 1, negative 186. So 62y is equal negative 186. So will I get whole number if I divide? So let's see, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 6 is 18. That's right. So I am dividing by negative 62, dividing negative 62, and I get y is equal positive 3. Okay. Once we got y is equal positive 3, see how easy it is? Plug into problem number 3. So 4y minus 6z is equal negative 6. So instead of y, I am plugging 3. 4 times 3 minus 6z is equal negative 6. So this is problem number 3, right? Where I'm plugging there. And from here, what am I getting? 12 minus 6z is equal negative 6. Negative, I guess I can move 6z on the other side. I'll move 6z here and negative 6 here, which means it's going to flip the sign, right? So I will get 12 plus 6. That will be equal positive 6z. So 18 is equal 6z, and z is equal 3. All right, so we have z, we have y, and lastly we need to find is x. So for x to find it is going to be to plug into first one. So let's solve it. I'm writing down x plus 6y equal 19, and this is first equation, and I have x is equal the 19 minus 6y, right? X is equal 19 minus 6 times, how much is my y? 3. So x is equal 1. Okay, so I'm going to change the color. Z equal 3, y is equal 3, and x is equal 1. And the answer is going to be x is 1, y is 3, z is 3. Okay, moving to question number 3. X plus y plus 2z is equal 15. X plus y plus 4z is equal 25. X minus 9y plus 8z is equal 35. So first one, second one, third one. All right, let me see what I'm going to do. Well, okay, combining first and second one, it's going to be x plus y plus 2z is equal 15 plus y plus 4z is equal 25. Okay, I want to eliminate, let me see. I want to eliminate x or y. Which one do you prefer? Let's eliminate y this time. So actually both of them are going to eliminate. Multiply by -1. So we get negative x, negative y plus minus minus 2z is equal negative 15. X plus y plus 4z is equal 25. All right. What do I have? Negative x plus x is gone. Negative y plus y is gone. And I have 4z minus 2z. It's going to be 2z equal 10. 25 minus 15. And z is equal 5. Yes? Okay. Next. So I used first and second. Now I need to use third one. With which one we're going to use, first or second? Let's see. X minus 9y plus 8z is equal 35. That's the third one. So which one we want to use? Okay, let's use second one. Or first one. Okay, we use first one. So it's going to be x plus y plus 2z equal 15. So what can we do here? I don't need to do any adjustment for now, but what I can do, since I have value of z, I can enter the value of these z's into third one and first one, 8 times 5 here, and 2 times 5 here, and end up with system of equations with two variables only, yes? Well, let's do it. X minus 9y plus 8 times 5 is going to be 40 equal 35, and x plus y plus 2 times 5 is 10 equal 15. Okay, so I can get rid of x, so x and x are multiplied by -1. Okay, so it's gonna be negative x plus 9y, because I'm distributing -1 by every single term, minus 40 equal negative 35. I multiplied -1 by every single term. And x plus y plus 10 is equal 15. When I add, so, you know, you could combine these like terms. If you ask why I didn't, I don't know, I just didn't. So, but I will combine here, so doesn't matter. I will get 10y minus 30 equal negative 35 plus 15 is negative 20. Yes? So 10y, if I move this negative 30, it's going to be positive. So 30 minus 20. So 10y is equal 10, y is equal 1. Okay, we got y is equal 1. Now what we have left to find out x? We have z, we have y. So where we want to plug? I'm going to plug in the first one, x plus y plus 2z, right here. Because x is by itself, so it's easy. X plus y plus 2z is equal 15. And this is first one. So x plus 1, y is equal 1, plus 2 times 5, z is 5, is equal 15. So x plus 11, right? 10 and 1, 11 equal 15. X is equal 4. There we go. The answer is 4, 1, 5. Moving to question number 4. X plus y plus 2z is equal 5. X plus y plus 9z is equal 19. X plus 8y plus 6z is equal negative 8. Okay, which first two I am choosing? 1, 2, 3. Well, I give you a minute to figure out which two you would use. I see x is single everywhere, which is doesn't have any coefficient, so you can use any two. I can use first one and third one. Let's take first one and third one this time. X plus y plus 2z is equal 5, and x plus 8y plus 6z is equal negative 8. So this is first one, this is third one. By the way, you could use first and second and get rid of y. Y is also single, doesn't have coefficient. So, all right, I'm going to multiply by negative 1. It's going to get negative x minus y minus 2z is equal negative 5. And third one, x plus 8y plus 6z is equal negative 8. Very good. Once we add, so now when I'm looking, maybe it would be a smarter idea to add first and second, because this way I would get rid of nx and y. But that's all right, because we are going to solve it. With system of equation, you can solve so many ways. So negative x plus x is gone. 8y minus y is going to be 7y plus 6 minus 2 is going to be 4z, and we equal negative 13. All right, now we need to choose what we left out. Second one, x plus y plus 9z is equal 19. Okay, so next we're going to choose either first one or third one, and we have to eliminate x, because here we have only y and z left. So in the this one also we have to have y and z. So we must eliminate x. Whatever variable we eliminated, now we have to here also eliminate same variable. Okay, so I am going to take first one. If you ask why, because I have here z has coefficient 9 and third one has coefficient 6. So I would assume it will be a little bit more work than working with coefficient 2 here. Okay, but if I say it's best choice, no, all choices would be good in this case. It's not much difference in choices. Okay, so x plus y plus 2z. So my advice, when you are picking which two, look at the coefficients, with which two coefficients are easy to work with. Okay, let's say if one equation has coefficient 5, another equation has coefficient 4, then you are stuck. You have to multiply both of them, one by 5, one by 4. But when one is 6, another one is 2, then you can take 2, multiply only one by 3 and get the other 6, right? So it's something like that. You have to figure out which one will bring you to less operations. Okay, so multiplying by negative 1 and getting negative x minus y minus 9z is equal negative 19, and x plus y plus 2z is equal 5. In this case, both of them, x and y, is gone. Negative 7z is equal negative 14. Z is equal positive 2. Okay, well, since z we already were able, since two variables disappeared, so we got z equal 2, then I can plug this z into this one. Let me mark down as a 4, plug this z in equation number 4 and get y. So 7y plus 4 times 2 is equal negative 13. And I get 7y plus 8 is equal negative 13. 7y is equal negative 13 minus 8. We're going to be negative 21. And y is equal negative 3. Okay, I got y, I got z, and x is going to be easy. I'm going to plug in equation number 1. And that is going to be x plus y plus 2z is equal 5. And x plus, y is negative 3, so minus 3. Z is 2. 2 times 2 is equal 5. And as a result, we get x. This is 4. 4 minus 3 is negative 1, equal 5. Moving negative 1 here. X is equal 6, because become positive 1, right? And 5 plus 1 is 6, and we got the answer. So our solution is going to be 6, negative 3, and z, the last one, 2. Question number 5. My recommendation to you would be, after watching this video, write out the problems and try to solve it yourself. That would be the best way to learn it. Solve it. If you don't get the answer I got, then turn the video on and find what you did wrong there. That's the best way to do it. Okay, 8x minus y plus 2z is equal 24. X plus 2y minus z is equal negative 5. 2x plus 2y minus 3z is equal negative 9. So first one, second one, third one. Let's see which one I'm choosing. I'm going to choose second and third one this time. What would you choose? I'm curious. Maybe first and second, because you have negative y and you have 2y. Multiply by 2 and you get the answer. Okay, let's go first and second. 8x minus y plus 2z is equal 24. X plus 2y minus z is equal negative 5. So we are going to multiply by positive 2, this one. First one, second one. And what do we get? 2 times. So we multiply by this, here, here, here. So 2 times 8 is going to be 16x minus 2y plus 4z equal 48. Second, x plus 2y minus z equal negative 5. So if I add, this is gone. So I am getting 17x plus 3z is equal 43. Right? Wow, nasty number. 17, 3, 43, all prime numbers. How did we get this lucky? Okay, so we got x and z. Now we need to use the third one, which is 2x plus 2y minus 3z and equal negative 9. Which one to use here? We need to get rid of y, right? To keep x and z. So I would say second one. y, because second one also has 2y. All we have to do, multiply by -1. X plus 2y minus z is equal -5. So this is third one, and this is second one. Okay, let's solve it. So one of them, let's say this one, multiply by -2. I mean, -1, I'm sorry. And I'm getting 2x plus 2y minus 3z is equal -9. And here I'm getting -x minus 2y plus z, and I'm getting +5. Once I add it, this is going to be gone. We get x minus 2z, it's equal -4. All right, so this is equation 4, this is equation 5. So we stuck with two equations, right? Now I'm going to combine these two equations into system of equations with two variables. What we are going to get? 17x plus 3z is equal 43. X minus 2z is equal -4. So this is 4, this is 5. Okay, let's solve it. What am I going to do here? I have two choices. One, multiply by -7, equation number 5, to get -17x and cancel each other x. Or if we want to eliminate z, then first one I have to multiply by 2 to get 6z. Second one, multiply by 3 to get -6z. So I am choosing, to work with with z, multiply both of them. Why? Because actually if I multiply by 17 only the second one, let's do the other way. So multiply by -17 this one. Yeah? So this way I have to multiply, change only one equation. Let's see. -17x plus 34z equal 68, +68, because both of them are negative. If I add, this is going to be gone. 3z plus 34z is 37 z, and that is equal 3 plus 8 is 11, 111. Okay, so how much it's gonna be our z? Let's see if it's divisible. 111 divided by 37 should be 3 times. Yeah, 3 times, perfect. Z is equal 3. Very good. So next we got z-score. I can plug this z-score either in the fourth one or fifth one. It's easier into fifth one to find x. So x minus 2z is equal -4, and this is number 5. All right, so x minus 2 times 3 equal -4, x minus 6 equal -4, x is equal +6 minus 4, x is equal 2. Yes? Okay. Let me move this one also. So now I need to find y. To find y, which one we want to use? I'm using first one, which is going to be 8x. I can take it from here. So eight x minus y plus 2z is equal 24. And that's the first one I'm using. So I'm going to plug z and x to find y. X is 2, so 8 times 2 minus y plus 2 times 3 equal 24. So it looks like y is negative. I'm going to move y this way and move 24 this way. So it will be 16 plus 6 minus 24 equal y. So 16 plus 6, 22 minus 24 equal y. Y is equal negative 2. And here we got the solution. X is 2, y is negative 2, z is 3. Again, z scored G. Number 6. These were 5. Okay, 6. We have 5 more. 5x. Now this one is getting more interesting, more advanced. 5x plus 2y minus 5z is equal 23. 2x minus 4y plus 2z equals 6. 4x minus 3y plus 4z equals 7. Okay. First one, second one, third one. Okay, let's choose it. Which one we want to choose and what to eliminate. I think I'm choosing first and second because it's either first and second to eliminate y or second and third to eliminate x. So since we choose first and second often, let's this time work with second and third. Yeah? I don't like first one because look there, it's equal 23. That's a nasty number to work with, prime number. So let's choose second and third. So 2x, minus 4y plus 2z equals 6. 4x minus 3y plus 4z equals 7. So second and third. Okay, what we are eliminating? We can eliminate either z or we can eliminate x. Actually, both of them are going to eliminate. Nice. So if I multiply by negative 2, actually, you know what? The second equation, I'm looking coefficient 2, 4, 2, 6. I could reduce by 2 entire equation, no? You want to do it? But then we have still to we need to multiply. Since third one we can't reduce because I have 4, 3, and 7. Then to solve this equation, then I will have 1x, I will have 1z, and instead of negative 2, we will multiply by negative 4. So at this point, I guess it's not gonna do much advantage to reduce. Yeah, let's keep going. Okay, negative 4, sorry, because I'm solving these problems first time, so you also can see how to analyze, how to figure out. Me also solving math for so many years, I also can go ahead and see, oh, I can do this way, I can do that way, and I'm analyzing or thinking out loud, so you can see, you can hear, and hopefully that helps also. Okay, so the most important thing is don't be afraid to do mistakes in math. You will never learn unless you make mistakes. Okay? So, most importantly, you learn from mistakes. So, negative, so we distribute, right? Get rid of it. It's going to be negative 4x plus 8y minus 4z, right? Multiply by negative 2, every single one of them, negative 12. Okay, 4x minus 3y plus 4z is equal 7. All right. So, what's going to happen here? Beautiful thing going to happen. This is gone, and we end up with 5y. That is equal negative 5, and y is equal negative 1. Okay, once we have y is equal negative 1, let's choose next two equations. So I use 2 and 3, so I have to have first one, 5x plus 2y minus 5z equal 23. And which one we're going to choose to combine with the first one? Second or third? I would choose second. At least smaller coefficient, 2, 4, 2 easy coefficient. 2x minus 4y plus 2z equals 6. Now, what I would suggest, this is 1 and this is 2. Since we have already y is equal negative 1, I would suggest to get rid of y up front, which means plug the value of y and we will end up with system of equations with two variables only. So what do I mean? It's 5x plus 2 times negative 1 minus 5z equal 23. Let me write down nicely. Minus 5z is equal 23. And the second one is going to be 2x minus 4 times negative 1 plus 2z, and it's equal 6. So, what do we get? 5x minus 2 minus 5z is equal 23. 2x plus 4 plus 2z is equal 6. Okay, so what do we have? We have 5x, 2x, we have 5z, 2z. So at this point, I'm going to get rid of z and not x, because z is one is positive, one is negative. So multiplying for negative 5z by 2 and multiplying 2z by 5 to get negative 10 and positive 10. Yes? Let's go for it. 10x minus 4 minus 10z is equal 46. Now 5 times 2x is 10x, 5 times 4 is 20. Yes, if you're wondering if you could combine, yes, you could combine first, but I'm going to combine now, and it's not a big deal. Okay, plus 20. And what do we have? Plus 10z. And that is equal 5 times 6 is 30. So this is gone. And we are getting 20x plus 16 equals 76. 20x is equal 76 minus 16, it's going to be 60. And x is equal 3. So we got y, we got x. Now all we have to do, choose which equation I'm going to plug y and x to find out z. Where it's going to be easy to do. Equation number 2, I think it has less coefficient, 2z. Let's do that one. 2x minus 4y. 2x minus 4y plus 2z equals 6. This is problem number, this is 2, equation 2. Now, since we are not going to combine with anything, now here I can divide by 2 everything, which is going to be x minus 2y plus z is equal 3. See? And it's going to be easier to work with because all I am going to do is plugging x will be 3 minus 2 times negative 1 because y is negative 1. Here it is. Okay. And plus z. Z is the one we need to find. So 3 plus 2 plus z is equal 3. This 3 is going to be gone with this 3 because either this one moved there or it's going to be 3 minus 3 one way or another. So we get 2 plus z is equal 0 and z is equal negative 2. Once I move 2 on this side, it's going to be negative and z is equal negative 2. So the answer for this system of equation is going to be x is 3, y is negative 1, z is negative 2. Let me write down. Okay. Number 7. Two x minus 6y plus 4z is equal negative 6. X plus 2y minus z is equal 0. 6x minus y minus z is equal negative 19. All right. So let's see what we're going to do here. Which two equations we are going to combine? 1, 2, combine into system of equations. Let's look at the numbers. It's clearly, for me, it's going to be 2 and 3. You know why? Because I have negative z on both sides, so I multiply by negative 1 and get rid of z. Okay. X plus 2y minus z is equal 0. 6x minus y minus z is equal negative 19. So we have this is 2, this is 3. So multiplying by negative 1, okay, we are getting negative x minus 2y plus z is equal 0. 6x minus y minus z is equal negative 19. So if I add what do I get? Plus z minus z. Here will be 5x. Here minus 3y equal negative 19. Okay. Now let's choose. We have to pick first one because we haven't used first one yet. 2x minus 6y plus 4z is equal negative 6. And which one we use, 2 and or 3? Let me see. What do you think? I think you want number 2 because smaller coefficients and then there is a 0, so less headache. So x plus 2y minus z is equal 0. So we need to get rid of z, right? Because here we have only x and y. So we have to here also leave only x and y. So we need to get rid of z. To get rid of z, I have to multiply this one by 4. This one is first one, this one is second one. Okay, so we have 2x minus 6y plus 4z is equal negative 6. 4x plus 8y minus 4z is equal 0. So I multiplied every single term by 4. If I add, this is nicely gone, as always. 6x plus 2y, and that is equal negative 6. Okay. So next I ended up with two equations with two variables. So I'm going to solve a system of equations with two variables. With the differences, I see this one, 6x plus 2y equal negative 6. I can reduce by 2, make it smaller coefficient. So if I reduce by 2, I will get 3x, right, plus y is equal by 2 negative 3, right? It's easier. Let's divide here by 2. We just trying to work with smaller numbers, smaller coefficients. And that's what we got. Now, so we are going to combine. This is 4. This is 5. So this is also 5, right? Just reduced. Same thing. And we get 5x minus 3y equal negative 19. Here we have 3x plus y is equal negative 3. Okay, so I'm getting rid of at least y. So I multiply this by 3. If I would want to get rid of x, then I had to multiply both of them. One by negative 3, the other one by 5. Or one by 3, the other one by negative 5. So what we are going to get here, 5x plus 3y equal negative 19. 9x plus 3y is equal negative 9. Oops. Minus 3. I'm steering away from this plus. Adding. This is gone. 14x is equal negative 28. And x is equal negative 2. Okay, we got x is equal negative 2. Let me see where I'm going to plug, into 4 or 5. I would plug into 5 because y is by itself. It's easy to find out. So 3x 3x, 3x plus y is equal negative 3, number 5. And this is equal 3 times negative 2 plus y equal negative 3, and y is equal, since this is negative 6, moving over will be positive 6 minus 3, y is equal 3. Okay, so from here we need to find z. I have x, I have y. Let me see where I'm going to plug. No hesitation, plugging into second, the easiest one. X plus 2y minus z. Okay, let's see. Little bit moving here. This one also moving here. Okay, so x plus 2y and that's number 1. No, number 2. Okay, so x is negative 2 plus okay, plus 2y and minus, no, my y is, let's plug it, might as well. Y is 3, so times 3, and minus z is equal 0. So negative 2 plus 6 minus z is equal 0. 4 is equal z. I moved negative z here, got positive z. So we got negative 2, 3, and 4. All right? Question number 8. It's going to be 5x plus y equal negative 2. X plus y minus z is equal negative 6. 4x plus 2y plus z is equal 0. All right. So let's see which one we're gonna choose to work with. Let me see. Since the first one has only x and y, so I can pick second and third. Get rid of z, right? End up with x and y, and then combine with first one, x and y. Make sense? Yep, I hear you saying yes, makes sense. Let's do it. So x plus y minus z is equal negative 6. 4x plus 2y plus z is equal 0. 2 and 3. So, and beautiful, one is positive z, one is negative z. Couldn't be easier. It's gone. And we are getting 5x plus 3y, and that's equal negative 6. All right, let's combine. 5x plus y equal negative 2. This is number 1. And 5x plus 3y is equal negative 6. And this is number 4. Okay. So I multiply this by -1. It's gonna get negative 5x minus y is equal positive 2. And here we get 5x plus 3y is equal negative 6. Adding 5x, negative 5x is gone. And we are getting 2y is equal negative 4, y is equal negative 2. Okay, y is equal negative 2. I am plugging back into first one to find out x. So 5x plus y is equal negative 2. Let's plug 5x plus, it's negative 2 minus 2 is equal negative 2. 5x is equal 0, because this is gone on both sides, negative 2, negative 2, and x is equal 0. Okay, y is negative 2, x is 0. Now where we're gonna plug? I'm choosing number 3. No, 2 is better, because x and y doesn't have any coefficient. So let's do it. X plus y minus z is equal negative 6. This is number 2. Okay, x is 0, y is negative 2, and minus z is equal negative 6. Okay, what do we get? Negative 2 minus z is equal negative 6. So negative 2 moving this way will be positive 2. Negative z is equal negative 6 plus 2. If you wonder why I didn't move z on the other side, because I saw the number here also getting negative. So I'll just drop on both sides. Negative z is equal negative 4. Since on both sides I'm dropping, z is equal positive 4. And this is the answer. So we have 0, negative 2, and 4. One more time, let me repeat that you place the answer by alphabet X, Y, Z.